Are you ready to get your Gmail account set up on your computer in just a few simple steps? Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, I'll show you how to do it quickly and efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Gmail website. Look at the upper right corner and you'll see a circular profile icon. If this is your first time here, it may show a generic avatar. If you've used Gmail before, it could display your profile picture. Click on that icon and a menu will drop down showing your current account and options. Here, click Add Account. This will take you to the sign-in page for a new Gmail account. Enter the email address you want to add, double check for typos, and click Next. Now, type in your password. If you've forgotten it, Google has a step-by-step recovery process to help you reset it safely. Once you enter the correct password, you'll be logged in immediately. A quick tip: if you manage multiple accounts, using distinct profile images makes switching between them faster and easier. Also, make sure your account has updated recovery info and, if possible, enable two-factor authentication, especially if this is a shared or public computer. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now fully added to your computer, making it simple to toggle between accounts and stay organized. Remember to occasionally review your settings to keep everything up to date and secure. Now you're ready to email like a pro.